true that for 80% of the company out there, the GPA alone cannot get you jobs. Company also look at variety of factors, including skills and stuff, to determine whether a particular person is fit for the job. But in my case, I got placed at ONGC, which falls in the other 20% bracket, जहाँ पे company decent GPA को consider करते हैं. They basically do this because they want to shortlist the applicant pool or shortlist the candidates. And regarding the eligibility criteria, anyone having a GPA of 6 and above with no active backlogs is good to go. First of all, I have been hired as an assistant executive engineer in production profile at ONGC, and the role of production engineer is to monitor or make sure that an individual wells or the group of wells that has been drilled in under the ground produce optimally, and that is the production is up to the mark or reaches the daily target. And also we are also required to interact with the service provider to ensure that the appropriate technologies are being used for the production. And depending upon the posting or the type of place where you have been posted, your job profile also varies from bit to bit. For example, if you are placed at refineries, offshore, onshore, it also varies depending upon the place you have been posted. So basically 2 rounds हुए थे मेरे placement के time. First one was the GPA shortlisting. Any candidate having a GPA of 6 and above with no active backlogs was shortlisted automatically. So obviously 40 to 45 candidates were shortlisted, I feel. And after that there was direct a personal interview, which was basically technical cum HR interview, and that lasted for about 15 minutes. As I mentioned in my previous question, there were only 2 rounds in my placement process. First was the GPA criteria, GPA shortlisting, and the second was personal interview, basically technical cum HR interview. So there was no GD, group discussion round, in my process. देखो, for the majority of the companies, I will say that extracurricular and position of responsibility help करेंगी. they will help you in increasing your chances to leave an impression on the panel, as well as they will provide you with an edge ताकि तुम interview crack कर सको, especially the HR round. In ONGC also, although कि totally company technical में focus करती है, I feel that extracurriculars provided me with an implicit edge. I didn't had an explicit advantage over others, but I feel that I had an implicit advantage. Having the above mentioned things. Personally, my interview revolved around my projects, trainings and excursions. That what I learned there, मेरे skill sets क्या थे उस process के दौरान, how well aware I was about the on-field and practical working of the oil and gas sector, and so on and so on. So yes, project, interns and training definitely helps. Yes, I played football throughout my college life and was part of my college team. I was also told by seniors, अभी नहीं पता कि reason logical है या नहीं, but मेरे पेट्रो के seniors ने मुझे बताया था कि playing any sports will help me, as in oil and gas sector most of the job field jobs होते हैं, so obviously physical work करने से मेरे को help मिलेगा. Other than that, there are so many skills that I have imbibed just playing football: time management, teamwork, leading a team, handling pressure. And whenever you play a sport or a game, your personality develops in a way that no other skill could match it. And रही बात soft skills की, yes, I would be lying if I tell you that soft skills doesn't matter. They matter. They do matter. My preparation strategy was simple. I didn't distracted myself by engaging in various options or fields. I was sure about one thing, that कोडिंग शुरू करने के लिए बहुत टाइम लेट हो चुका है, एंड 3 महीने कोडिंग शुरू करके मैं 3 साल से करने वालों को बीट कर नहीं सकता हूँ. एंड ऑयल सेक्टर वॉज ऑल्सो सीवियरली हिट ड्यूरिंग कोविड. but still I decided to stick to my core field and also started preparing for GATE as a backup. This was only just because I had good technical knowledge, and also I was confident that the chances of me getting a job in core was more than the other fields. And for HR interview, I believe that I have a decent communication skills. So what I did was I tried other things during HR interview, that I remained calm, I maintained my posture. मैं अर्थ साइंस के पर्सपेक्टिव से बोलूँगा कि इफ़ अ पर्सन wants to crack a technical paper of a particular company he wishes, then he or she must have a sound technical knowledge. टेक्निकल नॉलेज बिल्कुल इंटैक्ट होनी चाहिए, जिसके लिए यू कैन रिफर टू द सिलेबस और द लिटरेचर दैट हैज मेंशन इन द सिलेबस, जो कि गूगल पे आराम से PDF मिल जाएगा. सेकेंडली, यू कैन ऑल्सो गो थ्रू द पास्ट गेट पेपर्स, जो तुम्हें एक रफ आइडिया दे देंगे कि कैसे पेपर्स है, टेक्निकल पेपर्स में कैसे क्वेश्चन आने वाले हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस देयर इज नो नीड टू डू एनीथिंग एल्स. On the scale of 1 to 10, I will say that competitiveness तो भाई था काफ़ी था. I will give 9 out of 10, क्योंकि I got placed in the last week of November, that is before day 0, and हमारे ब्रांच में the so called cream days were still there. The top बच्चे जो माल बच्चे होते हैं वो अभी भी थे, तो काफ़ी कॉम्पिटिटिव माहौल था. प्लस इन पेट्रो सेक्टर कोविड की वजह से सब मामला हिला हुआ था, तो कॉम्पिटिशन, बट सीट्स कम थी और कॉम्पिटिशन बहुत ज़्यादा था. तो यस, कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस था. And regarding the hindrances or the trouble during the recruitment process, I will not say that during recruitment process problem हुई, but during the journey for preparing for the placement, journey में बहुत सारी problems थी. कोविड हुआ, हम सब घर पे थे, there was no support from the college, end semester एक हफ्ते पहले हो गए थे पेपर से, प्लेसमेंट से, all the projects were lined up and so on and so forth. No support. चाहे तुम्हें जॉब मिले ना मिले, वेदर यू गेट अ जॉब और नॉट, नोइंग दैट यू डिड योर बेस्ट इज वॉट मैटर्स द मोस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. मतलब सही बात है ना. यू वॉन्ट टू वॉक आउट ऑफ दैट इंटरव्यू थिंकिंग कि तुम इससे ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं सकते थे. इफ़ यू हैव डन योर बेस्ट, इफ़ यू कुड ओनली डू योर बेस्ट, दैट्स इट. व्हेन यू आर सेटिस्फाइड, तुम्हें कोई बाद में गिल्ट नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं ये कर सकता था, मैं और भी कुछ कर सकता था. गिव योर 100%, ट्राई टू गिव योर बेस्ट. दैट्स वॉट यू डिड, then that's the best thing you can take away. And रही बात tips and tricks to crack interviews, what I feel is technical knowledge सारे कैंडिडेट्स के पास होगा. ऑलमोस्ट 60-70% जनता पढ़ के आई है, तो उन्हें इंटरव्यू, उन्हें जॉब चाहिए. So apart from technical knowledge, all you can do is you can dress appropriately, make eye contact with the panel, have a good posture, speak clearly. कम्युनिकेशन शुड बी फ्लुएंट, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम्हारी वोकेबलरी टॉप क्लास होनी चाहिए. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज हैव अ डिसेंट कन्वर्सेशन विद द पैनल, शोकेसिंग योर विट, चार्म, कॉन्फिडेंस. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, बी असर्टिव. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लो इंटरव्यू की. मतलब मैंने कई बार देखा है, सुना है कि लोग पोलाइट रह जाते हैं, ये सब होता है, बट यू शुड नो कि तुम्हें अपना इंटरव्यू किस डायरेक्शन में लेके जाना है. सो बी असर्टिव एंड टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द इंटरव्यूज. Yeah, that's it from my website. All the best.